Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the worksheet 4 of triangle and its properties. Now coming to the fifth sum, find the length of the diagonal of a rectangle whose sides are 15 cm and 8 cm. Now ABCD is a rectangle. Now bigger side, let it be 15 cm, that is length. The smaller one, that is breadth, let it be 8 cm. You know the corner angles of the rectangle, it is 90 degree. Now what is diagonal? Diagonal is the line segment which joins the opposite vertices of a rectangle. So it is a इमीडिएट वर्टेक्स नहीं, एक वर्टेक्स छोड़कर दूसरे वर्टेक्स को. सो ए सी इज अ डायगोनल, अदरवाइज बी डी इज द डायगोनल of this rectangle. So now in this figure we have taken AC as the diagonal. You can draw AC के बदले में BD भी ले सकते हो, but according to this figure I have taken AC is the diagonal. So first we will write given. Now you got right angle triangle. Now you use the Pythagoras theorem. Given ABCD is a rectangle with AB is equal to 8 cm and BC is equal to 15 cm. Now they have asked you to find the diagonal AC. See, in rectangle the diagonals are equal. So either you can take AC or BD. It is the same. Value will be the same. Coming to solution, you got the right angle triangle. In right angled triangle ABC, why angle B is a 90 degree. In a rectangle, corner angles are 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB 8 square plus 15 square, that is 64 plus 225. When you add, it will be AC squared 5 plus 4 9, 4 plus 6 plus 2 8 and 2. So AC squared is equal to, now it is a 225 से बड़ा है और ending with 9. So 225 15 का है, so 17 का हो सकता है क्योंकि 7 का ending 9 है ना. So try with the 17 जा check करो, you will get 289. So it becomes 17 square. So therefore AC is equal to 17 centimeter. So answer, diagonal of the given rectangle is 17 centimeter. Hope you understood. First draw the rectangle और ऑपोजिट वर्टिसेस को ज्वाइन करो, दैट इज द diagonal, and corner angle is 90, that is why it becomes one right angled triangle, and use the Pythagoras theorem. Find the length of the diagonal. Now coming to the sixth sum, it's a little bit complicated, little bit. Already in the example we have understood this sum, only half part. The second half we will understand. The foot of the ladder is 6 meters away from the wall. So if AB is the ladder, it is away from the wall. AC is the wall, it is 6 meters away. So BC will write 6 meters, and the top, that is A, it reaches a window 8 meters above the ground. So BC is the ground, ये लेवल में ग्राउंड है, ग्राउंड से विंडो 8 मीटर के लेवल में है, तो उधर ये टॉप ऑफ द लैडर इट टचेस. ओके, they have not given the length of the ladder. Now you got two sides, and you know the angle between the wall and the ground, that is 90 degree. So you got a right angled triangle. So इसके measurement से हम ladder का length find out कर सकते हैं. Okay. Now in the second half, what they have told, if the ladder is shifted in such a way that its foot is 8 meters away from the wall. अभी ये लैडर को, लैडर का सेम लैडर बोल रहे हैं, सो लैडर का लेंथ तो चेंज नहीं होगा, तो इधर आप लोगों को जो भी लैडर का लेंथ मिला उसको इधर डालने का है. और वो लोग बोले हैं कि द फुट ऑफ द लैडर इज शिफ्टेड 8 मीटर अवे फ्रॉम द वॉल. पहले 6 मीटर था, वो अभी नीचे थोड़ा आगे उसको लेके गए 6 मीटर. पहले वो सोचो दिस इज द वॉल, तो ऐसा था, ठीक है. अभी और ज्यादा ये डिस्टेंस ज्यादा बनाए, ठीक है. ऐसे करने के वक्त ये लैडर नीचे आएगा, हाँ या ना. तो इधर नजदीक था तो लैडर इधर बहुत ऊपर तक पहुंचता था, लेकिन जब हम ये डिस्टेंस, नीचे का डिस्टेंस बढ़ाते हैं तो लैडर थोड़ा नीचे आ जाएगा, उसका टॉप नीचे आएगा. सो व्हाट हाइट डज द टॉप रीच, मतलब ये डिस्टेंस हमें फाइंड आउट करने का है. तो इसके लिए पहले लेंथ ऑफ द लैडर फाइंड आउट करो, फिर इधर डालो, इधर नीचे का डिस्टेंस दिया है 8 मीटर, तो top of the ladder where it reaches you can find the distance. So there are two halves, isn't it, एक sum में. So in the first half, what is it given, AB is the ladder, and you got the right angle triangle. In right angled triangle ABC, distance from the wall, that is BC, is 6 meters, and distance from the floor, that is AC, is equal to 8 meters. Now to find, first we have to find out the length of the ladder, that is AB. Solution: in right angled triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, which is the hypotenuse? You know, the wall और floor के बीच में वो right angle बना. So ladder is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. AC square is 8 square plus BC is 6 square. So you got a 64 plus 36, that is AB squared you got as 6 plus 4 10, 7 3 10, means AB square is equal to 10 square. So AB is equal to 10 meter. So you got the length of the ladder as a 10 meter. Now put that value here. Now find the third side. So in the second, so therefore length of the ladder is 10 meter. Now take second given, again you have to draw the figure, isn't it? In right angle triangle, ABC, now you got ladder AB is equal to 10 meter. The distance of the foot from the wall, that is BC, is equal to 8 meter. Now to find is the distance of the top of the ladder from the ground, that is AC. Solution: in right angle triangle, ABC by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse, again it is AB squared, isn't it? AC squared plus BC squared. Now this is 10 square, AC you don't know, BC is 8 square, so it is 100 is equal to AC squared plus 64. So AC squared is equal to 100 minus 64. So AC squared is equal to 10 minus 4, 6. Now here it is 9 remaining, 9 minus 6 is 3. So AC squared, 36 is of 6 square, therefore AC is equal to 6 meter. So hope you understood. There are two halves in this sum. So first find out the length of the ladder, then taking that length find out the distance of the top of the ladder from the ground. So if it were a tick the correct option and all, like that type of sums, so it will be, remember, so एक बार A मिला length of the ladder, so 8 and 6 they will interchange, there won't be any other value. So 10 squared is equal to, if one number is 8 square, 8, the other number should be 6. Answer, it is already, you know. So once you get this value, the numbers will get interchanged. Remember, if you get any other answer, then it is wrong. So answer, the top of the the top of the ladder reaches a height of 6 meters from the ground. Isn't it? Ground से कितना ऊपर? 6 meters. Hope you understood. All students, did you understand this sum? Sixth sum, a little bit lengthy. So first you have to find out the length of the ladder and then find out the length of the height of the top from the ground. Distance of the top of the ladder, isn't it? Now coming to the seventh sum, a right angled triangle is isosceles. Isosceles का मतलब हाइपोटेन्यूज छोड़कर दूसरे दो साइड्स इक्वल है. सो right angle triangle, these two sides are equal. Now the square of the hypotenuse is given. Hypotenuse square is given 50 meter square. You don't know these two sides, so take it as x. Already we have done this type of sums, isn't it? So when the two sides are equal and when it is not given, take it as x. So given, according to the figure, is in right angled triangle ABC, it is isosceles. So AB is equal to BC, let it be x meter. Now hypotenuse square, that is AC squared, is equal to 50 meter square. Now to find the two sides, means AB and BC, you have to find. Solution: in right angled triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared, isn't it? AC squared is equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Square already is given 50. AB and BC we have taken as x, but it is x square, x square. So you got 50 is equal to x squared plus x squared, 2x squared. So x square is equal to 50 by 2. So x squared is equal to 25. Now 25 किसका square है? It is a 5 square. X square is equal to 5 square. So x is equal to 5. Understood? Answer: the two sides AB is equal to BC is equal to x, that is 5 meter. It is meter square, so you have to put the unit meter. Hope you are confident. So it is isosceles. Remember, other than the hypotenuse, other two sides are equal, and take them as x. Now coming to the eighth sum, if the sides of a triangle 3 meter, 4 meter and 6 meter long. Determine whether the triangle is a right angle triangle. तो 3 साइड दिया है, पूछे है ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल बनता है या नहीं. तो क्या बताएं हम, बड़ा साइड हमेशा हाइपोटेन्यूज और दूसरे अदर साइड्स. ठीक है. सो इन राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल hypotenuse is the longest side. So let hypotenuse be 6 meter, isn't it? By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse AC squared should be equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So hypotenuse AC squared, that is a 6 square, that will be 36. AB squared plus BC squared is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 3 3s are 9, 4 square 4 4s are 16, 9 plus 6 15, 1 plus 1 2. Are they equal? No. So 36 not equal to 25. AC squared is not equal to AB squared plus BC squared. Therefore answer क्या आएगा? Whether the triangle is a right angle triangle. The given triangle is not a right angled triangle. It might be a triangle. Whether it is a triangle or not, उसके लिए क्या करने का है, दो साइड को ऐड करो, it should be greater than the third. 3 plus 4 greater than 7 greater than 6. 4 plus 6 10 greater than 3. 6 plus 3 9 greater than 4. So they are the sides of a triangle, but they cannot be the sides of a right angle triangle. Why? It has to fulfill the Pythagoras theorem. That is why it cannot be a right angle triangle. Hope you understood this topic. So read the question properly, whether the triangle can be drawn or whether the triangle is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle बोलते ही Pythagoras theorem याद रखने का है. It has to fulfill that theorem. Bye. All the best. Thank you.